Here I've got ASUS Zenfone 6 and let me show you how to change video quality on the following device. So at first let's open the camera app, then find and pick video here, go to the settings then, and here you will notice video quality. Just click on it and now pick the one that you would like to apply, so whichever you would like to have, just tap on it and now you can record in this video quality. Let me go back to the camera, and then if you would like to go back to the previous setup or if you would like to change it again, just select the settings, pick video quality, and let's go to 4K for example. And that's it. As you can see, this is how you can smoothly and easily switch video modes. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.